Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to expand photos with AI in this device. So let's start by opening your gallery and finding the photo which you'd like to customize. So for example, let me choose this one. Now we have to tap on this edit icon, so the second icon from the left, and open some edit options. And here at the bottom we have to swipe to find create. And right here we've got the option expand, so let's tap on it. Now you can see that my image is a little bit smaller. We've got this proportional option, and now thanks to the slider we can choose to which size we would like to expand our photo. So for example, if I will set it like that, it means that here we've got our original photo, and here we will have the landscape generated by AI. We can also use the auto option, which is, well, the same size as my previous photo. We've got also the custom one, so we can change the borders of the expansion, I believe. We can also choose 1 to 1, 3 to 4, 4 to 3, 16 to 9, 9 to 16, 2 to 3, and 3 to 2. So it's up to you. I think I will choose this proportional option and set it on the highest option, I mean on the right, to show you the difference. So after deciding which frame you'd like to use, which ratio you'd like to use, simply tap on start and let your device work. Your device should fill the gap with created landscape. So just give it a second, and as you can see, we've got it expanded, and it worked perfectly fine, to be honest. I mean, it looks really, really nice. If you wish to save it, simply tap on the stick icon in the right lower corner, and to remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see here, we've got our expanded photo, and this one is original. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.